This is week 26 and it's the Monday test. Question 1, 1/8 plus 1/2. You can't add them as they are because the number in the bottom is the same, so that 1/2 you have to change into 4/8. Then you have 1/8 plus 4/8 and your answer is 5/8. Question 2, 900 take away E is 500 and E equals 400. Question number 3, the shaded area is, okay, so the full area, the full circle or full square is 6 meters by 6 meters, that's 36. The white bit inside is 4 by 4, that's 16. So the shaded area, the pink bit, is 36 take away 16, so it's 20 square meters. Question number 4, -4 and -9 is -13. Write in descending order, that's going down. First of all, rewrite them so that they're all the same, so that they're all decimals. 5% is 0.05. Once you write it like that, it's much more straightforward. So the biggest one is 0.9, second one is 0.222, third one is 0.11, and the fourth one is 5% or 0.05. Question number 6. Simplify 15 over 20. It's 3/4. You divide the top and the bottom by the 5. Question number 17. 1.8 multiplied by 0.3 is 0.54. Question number 8. 9.638 take away 4.374 is 5.264. Question number 9. Round 16.6324 3 decimal places. When you round in 3 decimal places, you look at the 4th decimal place. That's a 4. So you're not going to round up. It's going to stay as 16.632. Question 10. Take the larger. So you got 25% of 80 or 30% of 100. Well, 30% of 100 is 30. 25% of 80, that's 1/4 of 80. And that's 20. So the larger is the second one, 30%. Question 11. 0.8, 1.1, 1.4, 1.7, 2.0, or just 2, and then 2.3. So it's going up from 0.3 every time. Question number 12, 25% of 100 euros is 25 euros. Question number 13, the total cost of 5 sweets is 70 cents. What's the average cost of 1 sweet? You divide 70 cents by 5, and your answer is 14 cents. Question number 14, 0.4 multiplied by 0.3 is 0.12. Question 15, 4 cubed equals 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 equals 64. Question 16. If there are 60 English pence to 1 euro, how many euros for 30 pounds English money, sterling? Okay, so I've written it out like this. 60p, that's the 60 English pence, equals 1 euro. Because we're looking for 30 here, what I did was I halved it. So half of 60 pence is 30 pence, and that's equal to 50 cents. If you multiply them each by 10, then you get 3 euros equals 3 pounds equals 5 euros, getting mixed up. And if 3 pounds equals 5 euros, then 30 pounds equals 50 euros. So your answer is 50. Question 17, write the coordinates. Okay, A is 2, 2, but which 2 is first? Is it that 2 or that 2? Well, you always go across first. So it's 2, 2. B then is 0, 3. Because you're going across 0 and you're going up 3. And that makes C 5, 0. Question number 18. A couple of ways to do this, but I just multiply them across first of all. So top by top and bottom by bottom. 3 by 10 is 30, 5 by 12 is 60, 30 is half of 60, so that's equal to 1/2. You should probably cross cancel them, but we'll be doing other ones later on in the week that'll show that a bit more clearly. Question number 19. Write the numeral 10,990,090. So it's 10, comma 990. That's your 990,000, comma 090. That's your 90. There are no hundreds. Question number 20. 3a plus 10 equals 19. Well, if 3a plus 10 equals 19, that means 3a equals 19 take away 10. 3a equals 9. A equals 3. And problem solving. Oh yeah. Sea container. measured 10 meters by 2 meters by 2 meters. It was filled with 80 crates of jelly beans. Can you imagine it? What was the volume of each crate? Right, okay. So the sea container is 10 meters by 2 meters by 2 meters. 10 by 2 is 20. Multiplied by 2 is 40. So that's 40 meters cubed is the whole container. And in that 40 meters cubed, there are 80 crates. So you want to find out what's the volume of each crate. You have to divide 40 by 80. Well, how can you do that? Of course you can do that. How many 80s is there in 40? Well, there's a half of an 80 in 40, isn't there? If you divide 40 by 80, you get 0.5. So your answer is 0.5 cubic meters, or meters cubed. Question 2. Each crate weighed 50 kilograms. What was the total weight of the jelly beans? Okay. So this is a different question. You're not looking at the size of the crate anymore. You're looking at how many jelly beans crates there was. There's 80 crates. Each one is 50 kilograms. To find the total weight, you have to multiply 50 by 80. Well, 5 by 8 is 40. 50 by 8 then is 400. And 50 by 80 is 4,000. 4,000 kilograms of jelly beans. That's enough to keep you going for a week.